There are a few really good VPN providers on the market right now who offer dedicated IPs. The main one I'll be talking about in today's video is CyberGhost VPN, but luckily setting up a dedicated IP is pretty straightforward. Once you have chosen and installed a VPN of your choice, one that offers dedicated IPs, open up the site and log in. Once you've logged in, you should be able to see a dedicated IP section. For CyberGhost VPN, it's just the one on the left-hand side under Smart DNS. CyberGhost VPN uses a token system to add an extra level of security as well. Now, adding a dedicated IP to your VPN account does come with a small additional fee. Follow the link from the dedicated IP section to add a token to your subscription. Return to the dedicated IP section and you should see 3 steps asking you to acknowledge that the token can only be spent once, choose your location, and redeem your token. Be sure to save the token file somewhere that is easy to find and take note of the code. Now open your VPN app, and on CyberGhost VPN, you should see a button appear up at the top allowing you to activate your dedicated IP. Click this and you'll be taken to the dedicated IP tab. Enter the code that you copied down and click activate, and then wait just a moment and you should see your shiny new dedicated IP address. Click on the IP and you can get connected instantly. If you need to set up more connections, just grab yourself another token and repeat the same process that I just walked you through. You'll be able to find all of the connections that you've set up in a dedicated IP section of this app, but you can also favorite this section to make it even easier to access in the future. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for future content, and be sure to ring the bell to get notified when we post future content as well. That's all for me. I'll see you in the next one.